15 hilarious facts about moaning you never knew. Hello, Internet family. Welcome back to BizarreTV, the place where we take the weird, funny, and totally random and somehow make it educational. Today's topic, moaning. Yeah, that sound you make when life is either too good, too bad, or you just dropped your phone on your face in bed. Don't worry, this is all PG, YouTube safe, and guaranteed to make you laugh. So sit back, relax, and let's groan our way through 15 hilarious and surprising facts about moaning. Fact 1. The world's shortest drama. Moaning is basically acting without dialogue. One sound and everybody instantly knows the story. Because I hate Mondays. This pizza deserves a Michelin star. It's the fastest way to win an Oscar without even holding a script. Fact 2. The painkiller hack. Studies show moaning reduces pain. Stub your toe? Your brain rewards you with endorphins. It's like your body saying, here, have some medicine, but in sound form. So next time someone calls you dramatic, just say, excuse me, I'm literally a doctor right now. Fact 3, it's contagious. Moaning spreads like yawning. One person goes, and the next thing you know, the whole room sounds like a choir of sad zombies. Try it with friends. Instant moan chain reaction. Fact 4, animals do it too. Whales groan, cows moan, dogs give you guilt trip moans when you don't share snacks. Honestly, the animal kingdom is just one big moan playlist. Fact 5, moaning is vocal stretching. Athletes grunt, gamers rage groan, grandparents stand up with ugh. Moaning is basically yoga for your vocal cords. No mat required. Fact 6, haunted house soundtrack. Why do haunted houses always moan? Not creak, not squeak. Moan. Like the walls are tired of existing. Somewhere out there is a ghost that just sounds like your uncle after Thanksgiving dinner. Fact 7, free therapy. Psychologists say groaning helps release stress. So if you're moaning in traffic, you're not being weird, you're saving on therapy bills. Try telling the cop that when he pulls you over, sir, I'm healing emotionally. Fact 8, cultural moans. Different cultures moan differently. Some people are subtle, others sound like they're auditioning for an opera. If you've never heard your grandma sigh so loudly it shakes the furniture, are you even part of a family? Fact 9, moan versus groan. Fun fact, moans and groans aren't the same. Moan equals tired or happy. Groan equals annoyed. Both equals Monday morning before coffee. Basically, the human alarm clock noise. Stadium groans. Sports fans are elite-level moaners. One bad call and 50,000 people moan in harmony. It's like a sad choir with hot dogs and face paint. Fact 11, comedy gold. Moaning is naturally funny. Stub your toe? People laugh. Stretch too loud? People laugh. It's nature's laugh track, and it's free. Honestly, moaning is stand-up comedy without the microphone. Fact 12, caveman groans. Scientists believe cavemen moaned too. Picture this. One guy by the fire like, hunt hard. Another guy, ugh, need nap. Congratulations, that was the first podcast. Fact 13, the overreaction moan. Moaning is almost always louder than the actual problem. Paper cut? Oh, no! Like, bro, you didn't just lose your arm in battle, you lost to a piece of office paper. Chill. The happy moan. Not all moans are sad. Think massages, spa days, or biting into pizza so good it feels illegal. That little sound? That's the gourmet moan. Michelin-starred moaning right there. Fact 15, the life hack moan. Here's the big one. Moaning can actually lower stress and blood pressure. Yep, letting out frustration is healthy. So technically, every groan is cardio. Next time you don't want to go to the gym, just moan really loudly. You're working out. And there you have it, folks. 15 weird, funny, and surprisingly useful facts about moaning. From haunted houses to pizza parties, moaning is basically the soundtrack of human life. Now I gotta know, what's your funniest moan story? Drop it in the comments, and I'll pin the most dramatic one to the top. If you had fun, don't moan about being bored. Smash that like button, subscribe for more bizarre facts, and share this with a friend who moans way too much. Until next time, remember, Ugh isn't just a sound, it's a lifestyle.